All right, what's up, guys? So I just got finished up my trading session for the day. I ended up taking one trade going long on NQ. Market's continuing to rip up to all-time highs. As you can see, I ended up making around $2,500 in my live account today. So anyways, I want to go over this trade and show you guys what we took. So anyways, we'll go over to NQ here. This is what I trade on futures. And if you guys don't know how I trade already, basically my signals, my indicator trades the opening range. Okay, so we're first looking at the first 15 minutes of the New York Open. We're marking out the highs and the lows. Now, as you can see, all pre-market, we were trending up. So I knew I wanted to only focus on buy signals today. Market opened up, we dropped down, and we immediately started ripping up. And we didn't get any pullbacks until this area right here. Okay. You can see we pretty much only had one red candle on a 1 minute time frame. The first, 45 minutes of the market open. So like I said, we're at all-time highs, so there's not really any resistance to work with. And, one thing that was kind of concerning was the market is starting to get overextended. As you can see, we're just ripping up, all of yesterday, all of pre-market, all of this morning. So one thing I do like to look at is making sure that I'm not entering too late on the move. And one way to do that is making sure you're entering just like on that first or second pullback. You can see we didn't get a buy signal until that first pullback that we got, as you can see right here, right? This is really the first pullback we got of the entire day. So even though we are overextended, this is technically the first pullback we got of the day. We got a buy signal right here. Basically, the way this indicator works is it looks for pullbacks when we're trading above the opening range, and it looks for pullbacks to go short when we're below it. Obviously, we're above it here, and we got this buy signal here. I put my stop below the lows, rode this to a nice 2R risk reward ratio, and pretty much sold this right at our last profit target, right? You can see this, our last profit target right here. Pretty much hit it exactly and then started selling off from here on out. Now these other buy signals, right? Why did we not take these? Well, number one, I like to typically take one trade per day, especially if it's a winner. Same thing I was talking about earlier, right? We already had our pullback for the day, and then we ripped up and we took this move. Now, the time we pulled back again, number one, we're even more overextended now. Number two, this is our second pullback. So it becomes a little bit lower probability because people are starting to notice the pattern. They're like, oh, we pulled back here, we went up, we pulled back again, we're probably going to go up again, right? And that's where people, once they start noticing the pattern, that's where it starts to flip. And, if too many people are looking at one thing, market tends to do the opposite, right? So this is why we avoided these two buy signals now, and the market's just chopping around from here. Plus, we already hit our last profit target of the day, so no point in taking any more trades. So anyways, guys, that was my trade for the day. Like I said, market's at all-time highs, and tomorrow is 4th of July, so I won't be trading tomorrow. But pretty much took 3 trades this week. They're all winners, so happen to have a good solid week for the first week of the month of July. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's how I ended up making the $2,500 in profit today. If you guys want access to these signals, to this indicator, I trade them live every single day on Zoom inside our OTS group. If you guys want to join and get access to these signals on your chart every single day, I want to invite you to join the OTS team. Inside, you'll get lifetime access to the OTS signals indicator. You'll get live trading daily with me on Zoom. Like I said, I trade these signals exclusively every single day live inside our private group. Plus, you get a full training and one-on-one support. So if you guys are interested, you think these signals would help you out watching me trade them live, all you have to do is go over to the first link in the description below to get access, or just head over to otsignals.com. Anyways, guys, hope you have a good 4th of July weekend. Like I said, I won't be trading tomorrow, so I'll see you guys Monday morning. If you have any questions for me, feel free to let me know in the comments or inside our Discord group. And yeah, guys, hope you guys had a good trading day. I will see you Monday morning. Have a good weekend.